Using the functions available on both Windows and Mac, we will remove silence from the video as shown in the figure. First, use Audition to mark the silence section of the video you want to remove. The second step is to use the Audition's extension to adjust the markers, and then send the marker data to the Premiere extension. Finally, using Premiere's extension, we will create a video from the dataset, excluding the silence section. As a concrete example, please see the video before and after removing the silence section.
そうでもないかな。でもなんか日々楽しそうだよね。なんかいいなと思って見てるけどね。なんか、柴犬先生は、なんかいいよね。器用だし、能力高いし、なんだろう。面白いし、めっちゃゲームとか強いんですよ、あの人。なんか、そうでもないかな。でもなんか日々楽しそう。なんかいいなと思って見てるけどね。なんか、柴犬先生は、なんかいいよね。器用だし、能力高いし、なんだろう。面白いし、めっちゃゲームとか強いんですよ、あの人。なんか、
In this way, you can naturally remove the silence section. The sources of extensions we will use are listed in the description section. Now let's move on to the details. First, load and select the video you want to remove the silence from in Audition. Open the diagnostic panel and select Mark Audio in the effect area. Next, press Scan and press Mark All. Then only the speaking section of the video will be marked. Second, use an extension called Marker Adjuster in Audition to adjust the markers. Select Extensions from window to display Marker Adjuster. Enter values for expand fourth sec and expand back sec to extend the front and back of the marker to make it sound natural when the video part is connected. Set a threshold value for gap sec. If the distance between two markers is less than this threshold, the two markers are combined into one, including the silence between them. This way, you can control cuts that are too short. After entering the three values, press Adjust Markers to adjust the markers. When the message adjustment's completed is displayed, the adjustment is complete. Then press Mark All Markers to add the adjusted markers. When the message marking completed is displayed, you are done adding a marker. Then delete the original marker. The third step is to prepare Premiere to receive this adjusted marker data and send it to Subclip Importer, an extension of Premiere. Select Extensions from window to display Subclip Importer. Press Get All Items to load all items into the extension. In the Select Item area, select the target video. Now that the Premiere side is ready to receive the data, press Send All Markers to Subclip Importer in Audition's Marker Adjuster. Then Premiere's Subclip Importer will ask you, do you want to create subclips with the selected item? Press Yes. This will create a subclip with the silence removed. When the message processing is complete, appears, you are done creating subclips. Finally, select all the created subclips and place them in the timeline panel. This will create a video with the silence section removed.
これまたなんか、これまたなんか完成する